Don't peek! As of this filming, and we're pretty well caught up. We're not far off. So we don't have a customer on this one quite yet, but it is for sale. This is a 1954 super rare Aloha. It is done. D-U-N, done. And I'm going to take you through it. I'm going to be the customer, and I want to show you what I did. I'm super proud of this one. I really want you to see it. I'm going to take you through it step by step. First things first, look at that rock guard. Chris Abbey did that, and you know, look at this. Nobody better in the business. Chris Abbey made that for a special custom deluxe. But let's look under here. All of the windows have been rebuilt, new glass where needed. Look at that. That is beautiful on the front. I love this. I love this. Now on the skin, this had a very slight break in it. Very slight break. Instead of just going flat, they went with just a slight break. And our buddies over at Max Aluminum, MACS, did that for us. So they mimicked that, so it looks great. 30 amp service, brand new running lights, AC out. Original window rebuilt. That just looks great. Let me back out on that a little bit. Brand new tires. Brand new hubcaps. That looked good. Oh, man. City water in, city water out. I'm just in love with this camper. I'm telling you. Look at this big old back end. Got the wedding cake lights on. And, of course, one for the tag. Got the eyebrows all on. And these are the windows that are 1954 era because they came on the camper. So they don't have crankouts. They've got push-outs. We'll get to that on the inside. But again, coming around here, we got the new lights. Ah, it looks good. How about right here? Brand new door. But you guys have been watching anyway, so you know what I've done. You just haven't seen it all put together. Got the front outlet. And of course the 54 era right here. We had to get that thing really rebuilt. Our buddy Ron took care of us on. That's the original. We've got one on the inside that Ron did for us. Brand new, in and out. Now, speaking of Chris Abbey, let me get back. This is the original screen door. He took it home, took it to the shop, rescreened it, used almost every single piece that was here, refinished it. Probably has more time refinishing this and making it beautiful than if he would have just made a new one. Look at that. Is that, I'm telling you, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's slip in here real quick. All right, look at here. Tweed. Let me back out a little bit. Now, here's what I did. I wanted to do something that looked retro but wasn't. This is something similar that you would find in this era. And these three windows going across. Let me back out a little bit, show you the front end. That's the original. We redid it. Got our storage up here. Whoop, on both sides. And we tried to go with this aluminum theme throughout. It's just gorgeous, just gorgeous. And we followed that trim here, and you can see it here. Plenty of storage, big storage. Shelf right here, but we left this one open for you to put whatever big stuff you want to put in there. Okay, and down here, there is a outlet, and then our regular kitchen that we use a lot. We got a new sink for this one. The old sink wasn't usable. A new city water in. And of course, right there, boom, that's the 50s style. I had to get these brand new off of Vintage Trailer Supply. They're not paying me, but you know, I like to tell you where I get things. Let's take a look at that. How about that? I just think that that is so beautiful, and it matches with these big. That's why I left those so big, is because they're going to match down here. Visually pulls you in. And that's really just going to be access for down there. There's our access under the bed. Now, this is a 54-inch bed. 54-inch bed. And look at here. There's what I was telling you. That's what Ron made for us. Isn't that beautiful on that? Now, and look. There's the silver trim coming across there. And look at there. It's your old magazine rack when you're back here. And if you want to read, boom, we rebuilt that light. How cool is it? I love it. I love it. I love this camper. I really, really do. Then we trimmed here. Let me back this out a little bit and give you a good shot of this. So we kept the big cabinet doors as the theme and a big refrigerator. Look at that. Ah, what about that? Little secret hiding right there. You wouldn't even notice it if I hadn't told you. Pretty cool little secret door. I'm telling you, boys. I don't know. It's for sale. It's not going to last long because I am going to price it to sell, because if you've been following along, you know I've got World Headquarters is full. It is full. This thing will be priced to move. So I may put the price at the end and we'll see what everybody says. Probably just about giving it away, but man, there's just nothing wrong with this beautiful camper. All right, I wanted to bring that to you. Check it out.